Happy morning, children. Hope you all wrote your maths exam well. And today we are going to write our science unit test. So it is time to revise our science portions. There are two lessons, know your body and parts of a plant. In our first lesson, we learned the different parts of our body and their jobs. We learned about skin, eyes, nose, ears, mouth and about limbs and joints. You know what are limbs? The arms and legs are called limbs. And then joint. A joint is where two parts of the body are joined. The head is joined to the body at the neck. In our second lesson, we learned the parts of plants. And the main parts of a plant are root, stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. A root absorb water and minerals from the soil and leaves prepare food for the plant. Children, this is the pattern for unit test. Missing letters, choose, fill ups, match, write true or false, answer the following and diagram. Now I am going to revise the important questions in these two lessons. Missing letters. First one scalp, S-C-A-L-P, scalp. Second one eyelid, E-Y-E-L-I-D, eyelid. Third one tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Next limbs, L-I-M-B-S, limbs. Knee, K-N-E-E, knee. Next one wrist, W-R-I-S-T, wrist. R-O-O-T, root. S-T-E-M, stem. Then next one branches, B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S, branches. Then sepal, S-E-P-A-L, sepal. Next one, choose the correct answer. First one, our body is covered by skin or scalp. Children, our body is covered by skin. The hair above each eye is called eyebrow or eyelashes. The hair above each eye is called eyebrow. The arm is joined to the hand at the elbow or wrist. The arm is joined to the hand at the wrist. Fourth one, the two parts of the leg are joined at the knee or elbow. The two parts of the leg are joined at the knee. Then buds protect flowers or fruit. Buds protect flowers. Then plants grow from fruit or seeds. Plants grow from seeds. Seed lie inside the flowers or fruits. Seed lie inside the fruits. Then next one, we breathe with our nose or ear. Children, we breathe with our nose. Next one, fill ups. Our body is covered by dash. Our body is covered by skin. The skin of the head is called dash. The skin of the head is called scalp. The hair above each eye is called eyebrow. The dash is fixed at the bottom of the mouth. The tongue is fixed at the bottom of the mouth. The two parts of the leg are joined at the knee. Sixth one, the head is joined at the body at the neck. Then the dash grow above the ground. Which part of the plant grow above the ground, children? The stem grow above the ground. The dash grow below the ground. The root grow below the ground. Then dash protect flowers. Buds protect flowers. The green part of the flowers are dash. The green part of the flowers are sepals. Then plant grow from dash. Plant grow from seeds. Next one, match the following. In your match the following, you want to find out the correct answer and match. Here I gave the correct answers. Eyes helps us to see. Nose helps us to breathe. Ears helps us to hear. Tongue helps us to speak. Joints helps us to move. And teeth helps us to chew. Next one, true or false. First one, the stem grows below the ground. Is it correct, children? No, the stem grows above the ground. So it is false. Second one, the upper part of the leg is called feet. Is it correct? No, the upper part of the leg is called thigh. So it is also false. Third one, babies are born with teeth. Is it correct? Babies have teeth? No, it is also false. Fourth one, the colored part of the flower is petal. Is it correct? Yes, it is true. Next one, the eyelid protect the eyes. The eyelid and eyelashes protect the eyes. So it is true. Seed grow into a new plant. Is correct? Yes. It is also true. Then seventh one, the skin of the head is called scalp. Is it correct, children? Yes, it is also true. Answer the following. First one, name any four parts of our body. Answer eyes, nose, ears and head. Children, you can write other body parts also. Second one, what are limbs? Children, what are limbs? Arms and legs are called limbs. Third one, name the parts of a plant. Answer root, stem, branches, leaves and flowers. What are the main parts? Root, stem, branches, leaves and flowers. Then fourth one, which part of the plant prepares food? Leaves prepares food. Next one, which part of the plant absorb water? Root absorb water. Children, learn and write the question answer and write and see in a rough note without any mistake. Next one, diagram. Draw and label the parts of a plant. Children, draw the plant very neatly and label these main parts. They are root, stem, branches, leaves and flowers. Children, write your test in 192 pages 4-line note and write the index first. For number 1, date and unit test 1. Then take a new page and at the top of the page you want to write class and subject. And first line you want to write unit test 1. Then leave one line and start the missing letters. Then write the answers. No need to copy the questions. After the missing letters finish, you want to leave one line and write the next Roman letter and so on. Children, follow the correct instructions. Children, write your test very neatly with legible handwriting and without any spelling mistakes and submit it on correct time and send snapshot during the time given. Children, all of them want to try to score full marks. All the best, children. Thank you.